Hi, this is Elizabeth with WTI, and this is the PNY 128 gig flash drive.
This flash drive is compatible with a USB port. It transfers your documents, your videos, your photos at a very fast rate. That way it's ready to go and quick and easy to use. One of the other nice features is being able to put your own lanyard on it, which you can't always do with all USBs. That way I don't lose it when I'm traveling, when I'm doing all my work. I love that this USB comes with 128 gigs because that really is a lot of storage. I'm working on a project right now, so I need to be able to store this. I need to be able to move it around with me and take it with me. And my normal external hard drive, as you can see, is a lot bigger. And it's great, but sometimes you just need something to fit in your pocket, but you still need a ton of storage for it. Not only does it fit a lot of storage, but it's compatible with all that storage. So it's super small. It fits in your tiny little pocket, but it has so much storage. And that's exactly what I needed. An external hard drive, but something a little small, then you're gonna wanna check this out. And that's my point of view.